In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up a router without having to create a duplicate router. So for that, we're going to use the quote module. Here is a router that has all the generic sequences. I'm going to go ahead and copy this part number and go to the quote module and paste that, and now I'm going to go click new, and I'm just going to use one. And here, let's say this part is a very basic part. It requires only laser and then brake, maybe powder coat. And this is an example, so I don't really know what the drawing says about this part, but I just want to demonstrate the concept. And I'm working in sandbox, so whatever I'm doing here doesn't affect anything in the real production system that we all are using. Click save, and again we put the times in here, because the biggest challenge we faced and the reason why we created these generic routers is because of the lack of good codes. So now, instead of creating a duplicate router, we can put the same effort in and create these codes. So now I'm going to click save and go ahead and click on bill of materials and add in 12 gauge CRS 48 by 120. For that, I would just do percent 12 gauge and clear. I'm going to just put a blank size of 4 by 4, 4.5 by 4.5, and now click OK and click save, and my code is complete, let's say, and I can even add the powder. But let's assume that these are all the things that I need and my code is complete. And now you come down here, you click the plus sign and link the router in this section, and come down to the edit. I just want to show you the router before we update it, so you can see this is what you have before we update the router using a code. So click the edit drop down and update router and click OK, and now see this, the router only has the sequences that we added in the code, and it updated everything in one shot. Good thing about this method is you don't have to create duplicate routers and then merge them in. You can put the same effort and have a good code and link them. So now you have a code and a router that are in sync and working. If I try to create a new router for the same part, it still doesn't allow me. I get this error. But I can always create a code and then update the router from there. Thank you.